What am I gonna do just to change your heart for me? I'd give up anything in this whole wide world if it meant you'd stay and never leave. I wanna see you smile again, shining on my life like the sun and the moon. But it's not like that, not for you. No matter what I try to do, even when I flirt, you brush me off like my feelings never mattered at all. You don't like me, you don't care. So tell me, what am I supposed to compare? I compare myself because when I look in the mirror, I don't see the man you dream about. I'm not the type you say you want, not the kind you're searching out. I'm not rich, not well known, but my love for you is real. Every bit I gave was honest. If you don't want it, then maybe next life will heal. No matter how kind I am, you never look my way. It feels like I'm invisible, less than human some days. You took my heart for granted, held it careless in your hands. And how kind I am, you never look my way. It feels like I'm invisible, less than human some days. You took my heart for granted, held it careless in your hands, and then you let everything go. Yeah, I tried to be enough for you, but enough was never me. You loved the world, loved everyone, but never loved the things you see in me. I waited for a sign from you, some small spark that you might stay, but you treated me like a shadow walking past me every day. You said you needed time and space, but really you just needed someone new. I kept giving you pieces of my heart, you kept breaking them in two. I blame myself for not being perfect, for not being your ideal man. But the truth is, love ain't perfect, it's something we try to understand. No matter how kind I am, you never look my way. It feels like I'm invisible, less than human some days. You took my heart for granted, held it careless in your hands. And how kind I am, you never look my way. It feels like I'm invisible, less than human some days. You took my heart for granted, held it careless in your hands, and then you let everything go. Yeah, maybe it's better that you left so I can learn to love myself again. I wasted too much time pretending I was worth less than other men. Now I see the truth so clear. Love ain't begging just to stay. Love ain't breaking your own heart just to keep the sadness away. If fate wants us together, then maybe in another life we'll meet. But in this one I choose my healing, I choose to stand back on my feet. I still wish you peace and light, even if you never cared for mine. But I won't chase what was never meant, I'll leave your memory behind. No matter how kind I am, you never look my way. It feels like I'm invisible, less than human some days. You took my heart for granted, held it careless in